Here we have an E chord, otherwise known as E major, as opposed to E minor, which would be just 2 fingers. So if we take off this first finger, that would be E minor, then E major with the first finger on. If you want to know more about major and minor, then check out this video. The link's in the description. Now with this E chord, just 3 fingers. It's a movable chord, so you can move it around. Let's go to the 5th fret with the 2nd finger. First finger's at the 4th fret. Sounds like that. We can also move this to fret 7, 2 frets higher, 1, 2, and get this nice sounding chord. Some variations on this E chord would be E7, where we take off this 3rd finger completely, so we've only got 2 fingers on, and it sounds like this. That's E7. An alternative to this E7 is to add another finger on the 3rd fret, 2nd string. So I've just got 3 fingers on there. Sounds like this. That's the first E7 and the 2nd. So this note here is just a repeat of this, but it's an octave higher, of course. Another variation of an E chord would be an E major 7, which is like this. So E7 and E major 7 are different. If you've not seen my theory video, check that one out. Looks a little bit like an upside down E chord. So how to get to it? This is a normal E. We first take up this first finger, then we move our 2nd finger underneath that one and bring our 3rd finger to the 2nd fret, 5th string. I trust that's helpful. Join the Guitar Practice VIP group if you're not in there yet, where you can learn everything you need to know to advance your guitar playing.